Water is precious. Water around us. Water is everywhere. In rivers, lakes, oceans, and under the ground. We all need it to live. People drink it to stay healthy, clean homes, and make products in factories. Animals drink it to survive, and plants use it to grow. Without water, life on Earth would be impossible. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water on Earth. When water from the ocean evaporates, it forms clouds. The clouds cause rain when they become heavy. Rainwater gathers in rivers, lakes, and oceans, called surface water. Some soaks into the ground, becoming groundwater. We collect it with wells and pumps. Rainwater can also be collected in barrels, which can be used for watering the plants and cleaning. After treating the rainwater, we can even drink it. Indigenous knowledge of water conservation. Not all the water on earth can be used, and saving water is called water conservation. Traditional methods include rainwater harvesting, where rain from rooftops is collected and stored for use during droughts. Reservoirs are built to store water for irrigation, drinking, and power. In Bharat's desert, people use tankas, underground tanks with a hole at the top to collect rainwater. Step wells, or bauri, are deep wells with steps for people to reach the water. Water safety and cleanliness. We should drink and use clean water, as drinking dirty water can cause diseases like jaundice and diarrhea. Boiling water before drinking is important. Filters clean water by removing dirt and unwanted things. Chemicals like chlorine help kill germs in water. It is important not to throw any garbage into rivers and lakes. Accessibility of water resources. Water is not accessible to all. In places where water is scarce, the government helps people through various means. They build wells, hand pumps, canals, pipes and big water tanks. The government also ensures the safety of the water by checking its quality. Usage of water in crop fields. Farmers need water to grow plants. Some plants, like rice, require a lot of water, while others, like millet, need less water. Animals on the farm also need water. Farmers access groundwater through wells and motor pumps or canals. The water reaching their fields is distributed to plants through pipes with holes, called drip irrigation, or through sprinklers to spread water over a larger area. Impact of human actions on nature. Throwing garbage, chemicals, and waste into water makes it dirty and unsafe. Pollution can make drinking water dirty and harmful. Using too much water for showers and washing cars is wasteful and may cause water shortages. We should be careful not to pollute water and use water wisely to keep it clean and ensure there's enough for everyone. Water management system. Water management involves planning and organizing the effective use of water to prevent wastage and save water. Rainwater harvesting is one method of water management. We can collect rainwater and use it for watering plants and cleaning. This helps to save water. Let's revise. Water is everywhere, in rivers, lakes, oceans, and under the ground. People drink water to stay healthy, clean homes, and make products in factories. Animals drink water to survive. Plants use water to grow. Rain is the main source of water on Earth. Saving water is called water conservation. We should drink and use clean water. Water is not accessible to all. The government helps people through various means where water is scarce. Farmers need water to grow plants. Farmers access groundwater through wells and motor pumps or canals. Throwing garbage, chemicals, and waste into water makes it dirty and unsafe. Water management involves planning and organizing the effective use of water to prevent wastage and save water.